Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody, and happy Monday to you. We had a beautiful day today. It was just a great day to be outside, especially by this afternoon when most of those high clouds began to clear out of the area. Temperatures were just about perfect right there in that nice range in the 60s and 70s. 69 right now in Corpus Christi. Beeville, the warm spot in the area at 73 and a couple of 71s for there in Kingsville and in Alice for this afternoon. Now here's a look at some of those high clouds that we dealt with this morning. You can see up here, and they're kind of at the top of the atmosphere where they're at. And those were pretty much streaming overhead all day. They really add to the beauty of the sky, but then as we cleared out during the afternoon, the sunshine has been abundant. Now you can see these clouds very clearly on satellite. Notice just how thick they are as they drift on up there more to our northeast, but here's where they were this morning, much thicker over the area, actually producing a little bit of rain over there near the Rio Grande, but our atmosphere is just too dry right here in the coastal bend to be producing any rainfall. So let's zoom out for a second and show you the weather system that's causing this. It's actually sitting just up here to our northwest, more in the Panhandle and portions of West Texas. That's what's producing most of today's cloud cover. However, there is a system sitting right behind it that's going to produce tomorrow's cloud cover. It's going to bring more in the same of those high clouds, or maybe a few little puffy cumulus clouds near the surface as well. But these are going to continue to bring in some clouds for tomorrow. So notice what happens. Today's moves off to the north, and as we get into tomorrow, where it's going to start to dig into some more moisture and bring some of those clouds over South Texas. Also notice, though, the winds, they're going to be coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, so coming from the southeast, very typical in the coastal bend. But as we get into Wednesday, this disturbance is going to start to move to the northeast. In addition to that, we're also going to see our winds start coming out of the west. When that happens, almost always we start to see our skies clearing, which means for Wednesday, we're going to see mostly sunny skies. It's going to be a much clearer day than what we've seen either today or tomorrow. Then as we get into Thursday, a cold front's going to move through. This is going to continue to clear out skies, keeping us nice and sunny. It's also going to bring in more windy conditions. Now, it's not going to be near as strong as what we saw last week, but it's going to be a very breezy day during the day on Thursday, and then potentially into Friday as well. So you're looking here at some of these wind speeds. Notice that tomorrow only 5 to 15 miles per hour, and we gradually take that up through Thursday when we see it up there 20 to 30, and then Friday and Saturday we're about back to normal, where we would expect to be for this time of the year in the coastal bend. So as for tomorrow, 56 to start the day, making it up to 73 in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies, but again, a lot of those clouds are going to be more at the top of the atmosphere, so it's not going to necessarily be that gray low cloud cover. Winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now by tomorrow night, there is the chance we could see maybe a few showers, especially right here along the coast, but this is pretty much our only chance of rain, and it's pretty slight at that. As we get into Wednesday morning, all that moisture lifts to the north, and that's when we're going to start to see those skies clearing out and leading to some sunshine. So now it's time for your 7-day forecast. Notice what we've got going on as we go through the next couple of days. There's that slight chance of rain for Tuesday night and Wednesday, and then we start to clear out. So for Wednesday, because we're clearing out, we're getting up to 78 degrees, much warmer, and then the cold front comes through. It's not going to be very strong, so it only takes us down to around 71 for Thursday, but it does clear us out and it brings in the windy conditions. So we stay clear through the first day of winter. Talk about 70 degrees on the first day of winter. That's how we do it here in South Texas. And then we start to increase that cloud cover a little bit as we head through the end of next weekend. And notice Monday, that's Christmas Eve. It does look like we're going to be dealing with some mostly sunny, mostly cloudy skies, I should say. Temperature around 74 degrees. Drew?